Hello, you join me today. Are you going to join me, Sammy? No, Sammy's not going to join us. Okay, so you join me today and I'm going to attempt to fix this. This is the joypad controllers on here. I'm going to attempt to fix this. So just to show you that there is a problem with these. So first of all, I calibrate this. And you see it is definitely drifting. That one's drifting. You see that one's drifting. And then let's just do the other one. Let's go B for back. And then let's press the other one. And we'll show that one's also drifting. That one's also drifting. So they're both drifting. So we've got a problem. So just to say, I've never done this before. B for back. So a few weeks ago, I got this from, I ordered this on Wish. No, don't do that, leave it. Ordered this from Wish. And the reason why I'm putting this on video is because, first of all, if I do something wrong, then I can rewind it. That's the first reason. So let's look at this pack to see what we get. Oh, that's quite a nice little pack, actually. So here we have, we need a little, no, here we have this. Let's just open this up. I ordered the bigger one, so in here we have a brush. I don't know what this is. That is, no, that's a Phillips screwdriver. This is this is the Y controller. This is to lift up the little switches later. These are different stickers. Actually, this feels a lot smaller than this is one of the joy pads. I ordered the slightly bigger one because for an extra, I think it was extra £2, then you got 4 rather than 2 controllers. We've got tweezers. Is this tweezers? Oh, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's tweezers, yeah, tweezers.
For what?
You'll see in a minute. This is a suction pad. No idea what I need a suction pad for. Another one of those. I don't. That is a plastic thing. That's to open the sides up in a minute. And these are spare controllers and spare screws. I think these connectors here have something to do with the damage if some connectors later. So we'll put that all back in there, and I'm getting all my information from another YouTube channel. So I hope that we can get this sorted. So let's put a Swiss Army knife away. Okay, so let's start.
Sticks. We'll have one left over. We're going to work on this one. The first thing we have to do is take off these 4 screws, and that is the tri-wing screwdriver. You can tell that it's the tri. Okay,
so first thing we've got to do is take off these 4 screws here. Tri-wing. That is, yeah, tri-wing. So that's the tri-wing there. Look, it's got the 3. Take off these. And I've watched this video before, and you have to be quite careful with all of this. So there should be 3 here. There's 1. What should I push? What should I do? Put it there. 2. These aren't magnetic. Some of these I've seen on different ones, and they're magnetic, which would really help.
Why?
Because then they stick to the top. They stick to the tip then, and then you just pull it out. But I've watched several videos on this, and it doesn't look too difficult. Take this, and we've got to split this up. Now in this side here there are controls here, so you have to be very careful, but That's a bit later. Oh, there we go. That came out nice and easy. A bit too easy. So open that up. Ooh. So yeah, there it is, there it is. So that's what we've got to be careful of, this ribbon here. Right, next. Okay, so there's a little chip here. So let's just take this little chip up and out. Okay, just going to put that to one side. There's a little gap for it. Can we see? Yeah, a little gap there. And I think after that, we'll take the battery all out. Right. Next thing is to just take this battery. Now, this is the first time we've done this. There should be a little area, I hear it. There's a little bit of adhesive there. So just take that off. So I've seen some people disconnect the battery and I've seen some people leave it on. And I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. So next we're going to, I need some light. No, it's this one. Now there's a battery connector in here somewhere. So we're just going to go in and lift that up. No, can you leave it on, Sammy, please? Oh, this is so fiddly. Oh, I see it. In here. Wrong way around, in here. Oh, I see it, just there. This is very, 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 very tricky here. There we go, right, that's up and out. So this will now all come away. I don't know if that was supposed to come out as well. Oh, I see where that's attached to. I think I might put that back on in a second. So that is come away as well, but that, it will go back on there in a minute. Okay, so next you need this, and we're going to remove 1, 2, 3. There's one down there. Phillips head screws. There's this one. 1, 2. It's easy to put back on. 1, 2, 3. What I've seen, have to be gentle because when we lift this up, there is. Can't get that out. There we go. There's a ribbon cable here. We have to be very careful. So let's lift that up and we're just going to push that over to the side. There's always very little slack on this. Oh, very little. Right, I hope you can see that. Now I think we're almost there to the bottom now.
Because you could damage that connector.
If that would pull that out. Ah, that's out. Good. I think now, and now we're going to get rid of these 2 here, 1 and 2. Pull these out. That's the wrong one. There's 1. And that should be it out. Oh, that's it, it's out. That's it out. Good. So that's that one out. We'll put it up that way because we need to get one of these. We're now ready to get this back in. So This piece of paper here has to be flat. If it comes out, it will move around a little bit. Of course, it's so delicate. Now that's back in. Put this in. Drop this pad back in somehow. And that's in. I guess we put the ribbon back in first. Oh, that's ready. What's in? Nice, yeah. Stick screws in. That's in. Now I'm not entirely convinced that this ribbon cable's in yet. No, it's not. What's in now? I thought that was in, but it's not. Oh, that's in. Maybe it's in enough. Let's try it anyway. It might well be in. So this tray goes back in now. This top tray. And replace those screws back. Quite going easier. 2. Two, 3, they're in. Right, so this battery will go in one way, this way. Oh, I see the connector, right. Okay, so this could take some time. Maybe not. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so that is, yeah, so top rotate the wire. Oh, this is so hard. Ah, clicked. Good. That's in. Wow. Didn't take long, did it? So that's in. Right. I think now we're good to go. Right. So once that's in, it clicks. And then this goes back in around here. Clips in. There somewhere. Good. And this folds all the way back over. And hopefully, there we go, that's in. So the screws go back in with this. Two, three, four. Controllers and sensors. Test input devices, right. Oh. Good. That works. And good. Settings. Calibrate control sticks. This one. That's much better. Look at that.
Where you are or where I am, it can't be me. It can't be me because I'm right next to the power thing.
X to calibrate. Good. Wow. Unreal. I think that's it. Well, I think that's it. So I think I'm done. So it works. So we now have to do the same with this one. So until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye bye for now. But I think I will try and do this one now. So that's that done. So let's try the second one. All right, let's do this then. Again. Dum bum bum bum. Sammy?
Yes.
Hang on, come here. I'll take those out. Next we prise this thing open again, but it's now the other side, so let's see, prise this out. Let's do briefly another one of these here. There we go. So everything's the same on this, it's just the other way round. So let's do this. Right. So everything's the same on this, it's just the other way round. So let's do this. Oh, where's the... This one might be easier because it hasn't got something on there. So let's take... It's worth doing without the battery. So it was a pain to get out. I think you better disconnect the battery. So it's very difficult to get out. Oh, that was it. Was this we used? Get everything else out. That's the battery out. Next we take this thing here out. I have seen some of them not take the battery out. This one's stuck in it. There you go. I was stuck in a bit more, that one. Let's remove that. Next, this one is Phillips screwdriver. Next, that one. This one's a little bit. This one is different actually. So I guess it is that one. Oops. It's that one. This one. Pretty sure it's that one. So I think it's that one. So I haven't seen a video, I haven't seen many videos for this blue controller, and I think it's that one there. So that one, and that one. And this then should just lift out, but we've got to be very, very careful of that there. Good. That, you've got to be really careful of that. Now, this is totally different. This one, this looks a lot easier. So, this is the one we want to be taken out. So, oh, that was interesting. It goes over. Ooh. So that's one out. Where's this? I guess that is going to be. I wonder which way it goes. I think it lifts this way. Yeah, it lifts up that way. And this then can come out. Now, how easy is this to be pulled out? Oh, that was nice and easy to be pulled out. And then that will then release this one here. Now go into that screw. That's out. Oh, that wasn't for that. It's this one here. Ooh, silly boy. That's a mistake. This one here, oh, there's a screw there. Look. Not that one, it's this here. So we need to pull out. Oh, this one's really tricky. Well, that's out. So there's the offending one. Right, let's get a new joypad in there. New joypad came out that way, so go back in that way. It needs to go underneath that ribbon. Can't just get underneath. Right, that's underneath there. There we go, right. I think before we go any further, we'll get this screwed in. Get this one first. Okay, so this one has to go back into here. I think it's a good job I did open up the battery. I'm going to take the battery to pieces. I think it's a good thing I did that, because I don't know what these circuit boards were before, and if I would have shorted it out by touching anything. So I have seen some videos that don't take them out, but it's probably what I do. Aha. That's what I was in. So fiddly. Yes. Just got to get this one in now. Might be in. I'm not entirely convinced that is in, but I'll try anyway. There you go. I'm not entirely convinced that is in, but we'll give it a go. Well, that's in, I think. Right, put this on here. So I'm not entirely convinced that that was in. Oh, it is, it's working. Right, moment of truth. Let's get this in. So I'm not entirely sure that Click to continue. Oh, it works. X calibrate. Calibrate. Wow. Sammy? Right. Well, that's the end of that. So this little kit from Wish worked really, really well. I was surprised actually how easy it was. It's very, very fiddly, but I was surprised how easy it was to actually do this. So I can recommend it. It certainly saved me in a range of about 90 francs, I think, for the new set of controllers. So spending, I think, 11 francs on this worked out really well. Okay, I'm going to leave that there now. So I hope you get something out of this. Bye bye for now.